Thanks for lowering along with Charlie passing 930 inbound the data. Please steadily to 200 knots, 800 station.
Running 115 Charlie, hello there, vector for Alice Birch, runway 23 right, maintain that speed, but check up the hold, expect maximum one hold.
Oh, I'm still one hold on all, that's right, that's to do right now. Oh, okay.
Runway 115 Charlie. Runway 1 Echo Romeo, vector limit 24, track now, central altitude 5,000 feet, 0 right.
7,000 feet, US 1018, line 1 kilometer.